guys, we got a PJ Masks collectible figure set. This set is different from the one we've opened before. We have PJ Robot, Owlette, Catboy, Gecko, and who's that?
It's a wolfie.
It's a wolfie. Her name's Rip. So let's open this up. Okay, tell me. Okay. And these guys. Gecko muscles.
Look.
Those are his cat stripes. And here's the wolfie. Rip. Yep. There all they are. I'm gonna go show Daddy. Here. Go show him Rip. Go show him Rip and then come back. Go show Rip. Okay, now come show Owlette. Here. Show Owlette.
Owlette.
Let me see. The red one, not?
It's Owlette.
Okay, here, come show Catboy and his super cat stripe.
Super cat stripe.
How about Gecko?
Gecko. Oh no, with those shields.
Super Gecko shield. And who's that?
It's PJ Robot.
PJ Robot.
Yeah.
Cool.
All done.
All done. Happy Thanksgiving, guys. I just wanted to show you guys where I found this PJ Masks collectible figure set for 5 pieces. I pulled it up on the Walmart app and I found it available for $9.97. So you can find the link in the description box down below.